What's up guys, it's Max from PGR Tech here, and today we're going to be looking at my £800 PC configuration that I made on PC Partpicker for you guys. It comes in just under £800 at £795 at 33p. This is current cheapest priced in England, and so yeah, let's get right into it. So for the processor, I've chosen the Ryzen 5 1600 as it is a great budget option and allows for great flexibility within the rest of your build and with day-to-day use. Being a 6-core processor and having a 3.2 GHz clock speed, it's a great mix of cores and clock speed. So for only £131, this is a great budget option to pick up. This is also good because it comes with a actually pretty decent stock cooler, and so that will easily support stock speeds and a bit of light overclocking. Next is the MSI B350 Tomahawk motherboard, as this is a great budget option for the Ryzen platform. It allows for general overclocking, and the chipset is great for budget builds, and for such a low price for decent quality, it's really a no-brainer and a steal. Onto the RAM, so I've chosen 16GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX at 3000 MHz. Ryzen needs fast memory to unlock its full potential, so 3000 MHz will do good in your PC build. And this is just nice and simple, it will get the job done, no flashy RGB, just straight down to the point, just really reliable RAM. So yeah, nothing more to say about that. And onto the storage, which I have picked up a 128GB ADATA Ultimate SU800 SSD. This will be for your operating system, and because it's 128GB, you won't really have games on this drive, and that is saved for the Seagate BarraCuda 1TB. Yeah, this is really reliable, great price, just a necessity for such budget builds. Even when you have an SSD, this is for your photos and any other mass storage that you can have in your build. And penultimately, the case is really good. I've got it myself, it was a joy to build in. And yeah, it's beautiful tempered glass side panel, really great matte finish, and just overall a really nice and budget option. For the power supply, I picked up an 80+ gold certified semi-modular power supply, and one of the cheapest ones was the Corsair one, and so this is 550 watt, which will allow you to make upgrades in the future, and from a big brand, so it'll be generally quite reliable, and it's got a really good feature set for the price. Semi-modular and 80+ gold certified at only £67.99p is really great for the price. So yeah, that just wraps up our £800 PC build. I hope this helped you if you were deciding on PC parts, and yeah, look out for more in the future. I will be exploring different budgets. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to keep up to date with more. Hope you enjoyed.